Poznań, one of Poland's oldest and most vibrant cities, offers a captivating blend of historical significance, cultural richness, and modern dynamism that attracts visitors from around the world. Located in western Poland, Poznań boasts a rich history that dates back to the early Middle Ages and a lively atmosphere that reflects its role as a major cultural and economic center. The charming old market square, known as Stary Rynek, serves as the heart of Poznań and a starting point for exploration. Surrounded by colorful merchant houses and adorned with a magnificent Renaissance-style town hall, the square exudes a timeless ambience. Visitors are captivated by the iconic Poznań goats, mechanical clock figures that perform a charming spectacle daily. Poznań Cathedral, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture, overlooks the city and houses the tombs of Poland's first rulers. Its stunning interior and rich history make it a must-visit site for history enthusiasts and architecture aficionados. The city's cultural scene thrives with a multitude of museums, galleries, and cultural institutions. The National Museum in Poznań features an extensive collection of art, artifacts, and historical exhibits that provide insights into the region's history and cultural heritage. The Imperial Castle, a neo-Romanesque palace, houses a museum that explores the city's history and traditions. Poznań's annual events draw visitors and locals alike. The Poznań International Fair, one of the oldest trade fairs in the world, showcases the city's modern economic significance while maintaining its historical roots. The Malta International Theatre Festival and the Ethno Port Festival celebrate performing arts and cultural diversity. The city's vibrant student population contributes to a lively nightlife scene. The Środka district, with its trendy bars, cafes, and artistic spaces, is a hub for creative expression and youthful energy. The Malta Lake area offers outdoor activities, including cycling, water sports, and leisurely walks. Poznań's culinary scene is a treat for food enthusiasts. Local restaurants and eateries serve traditional Polish dishes as well as international cuisines, reflecting the city's diverse influences. The city's street food scene offers an array of delicious snacks and treats. Poznań's strategic location provides easy access to nearby attractions, including the charming town of Gniezno, an important historic site, and the Wielkopolska National Park, which offers opportunities for outdoor activities and nature exploration. Whether you're exploring historic squares, immersing yourself in cultural experiences, enjoying a vibrant nightlife, savoring local flavors, attending cultural events, or simply soaking in the city's dynamic atmosphere, Poznań offers an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Poland's history, creativity, and modernity, leaving an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.